You want to turn your janitorial service into a brand people remember and actually trust. It's not just about the mops and vacuums, it's your name, your look, your online vibe, and your brand. In this video, I will show you how to stand out, attract better clients, and build cleaning businesses that sticks. So let's get into it.
Welcome to Lesson 4.1, where we dive into one of the most impactful parts of your business strategy: branding. Good branding can transform your janitorial service from just another cleaning company into a recognizable, trusted, and valued brand in your community. Here's how to make it happen. Why branding matters in the janitorial industry. Branding is more than just a name or logo. It's the entire experience of your business. It's how people feel when they interact with you, whether online, over the phone, or in person. Good branding tells potential clients, we're a professional, reliable, and high-quality service. And in an industry with heavy competition, having a strong brand can make or break your success. Think of branding as your business's personality. Just like a person's reputation, your brand is built on how consistently you show up and deliver a great experience. The right branding helps clients recognize you immediately, trust your service, and remember you next time they need janitorial services. Step 1. Building a memorable business name and logo. Your business name and logo are the foundations of your brand, so make them count. Business name. A good business name is memorable, straightforward, and descriptive. It should give people an idea of what you do without much guessing. For example, a name like Clean Sweep Solutions or Prime Janitorial Services is much clearer than PS Solutions. Stick to names that are easy to pronounce, spell, and ideally make some reference to cleaning or janitorial work. Logo design. Your logo should be simple and professional. Think of it as the visual shorthand for your entire brand. Make sure your logo works across various mediums. It should look just as clear on a uniform as it does on a website or business card. Aim for something clean, modern, and reflective of your services. Often, a simple icon paired with your business name in a legible font is best. Step 2. Establishing a professional online presence. In today's market, your website is often the first impression potential clients will get of your business. Here's what you need to make it effective. Website essentials. Clean design. Your site should be easy to navigate and visually appealing. A cluttered or outdated website can turn potential clients away. Service list. Clearly list the services you offer, such as commercial cleaning, residential cleaning, or specialized services like carpet cleaning. Contact information. Display your contact info prominently on every page so clients can reach you easily. Consider adding a contact form for inquiries. Customer reviews. Social proof is powerful. Display reviews or testimonials from past clients to build trust and credibility. Social media presence. Even if you're not a social media expert, having a business presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn can increase your visibility and help clients find you. Share photos of your work, customer testimonials, and updates on new services or discounts. Consistency here builds familiarity and trust over time. Step 3. Maintaining brand consistency. Brand consistency means presenting the same message, colors, logo, and tone across all channels, whether it's your website, social media, business cards, or even your company vehicles and uniforms. Here's why this is important. Trust building. Clients are more likely to trust a brand that looks consistent and professional across all platforms. Professional image. When your website, business cards, and uniforms look cohesive, it reinforces the impression that you're a serious, reliable business. Better recognition. People remember brands they see repeatedly and consistently. The more often they see your logo and name in the same way, the easier it is for them to recall you when they need cleaning services. Pro tip: create a simple branding guide to keep your brand consistent as your business grows. Include your brand colors, logo guidelines, preferred fonts, and examples of your messaging style. This guide will be invaluable as you create new marketing materials. Putting it all together, and branding to boost your bottom line. Branding your janitorial service is an ongoing effort, but it's an investment that pays off in visibility, trust, and ultimately, a steady stream of loyal clients. A memorable brand name, professional logo, strong online presence, and consistent look and feel will make your business not only easier to find, but more appealing to potential customers. Remember, in a service-based industry like janitorial work, people aren't just choosing a cleaning service, they're choosing a partner they can trust to take care of their space. Make sure your brand tells them you're the right choice for the job.